皆さん、請求書の作成や送付に毎月何時間使っていますか？また、請求書作成か、手作業が多くてミスも起きがちですよね。そんな面倒でストレスの多い作業、もうやめてみませんか？今回は請求書を完全自動化できる驚きの仕組みを紹介させていただきます。たった数秒でプロの品質の PDF で請求書を作成し、自動でメールが送信するところまで完了できます。あなたがすべきことはただ一つ、ボタンを押すだけの作業でございます。忙しい経営者の皆様、この動画を最後まで見ていただければ、毎月数時間の事務作業から解放され、本来のビジネスに集中できます。それでは早速、驚きの仕組みをご覧いただきましょ
う。Yes, how does this work? Let's check it on this platform here. We have make.com. In make.com, we simply created here 4 steps. This whole workflow consists of 4 steps. In the first step, we take all the client data which you have. We will see in this client data the name, the email address, the address where to send the invoice to. What you see here is just generated stuff. It's not real, it's just generated data. But here you can either import a list or you can connect to any application you have. You need the data. This data is then taken and put into this template here. Here I have a very simplified invoice template. Again, this one you can change as you like. You can put your picture, your logo, change the text as you like, whatever you want. Important is you see here some words marked in orange. Everything you see here in orange represents a variable. This variable will be later replaced by our invoice data. These variable you can again set as you want. In this example here, I just utilized the most important data for an invoice. After that, this invoice will be in step 3 printed as a PDF. And then in the last step, it will be attached to an email. Let's check out how this looks in reality. I have here many lines of invoice data, as you see. Let's just use one, or you can see that it's very variable. Let's use 3. So I put here a limit of 3. And now I run the workflow, and you will see that it will take the invoice data in the start. It will now check our Google Docs template. It already filled everything, it created a PDF, and it drafted a email. So an email is also drafted. Now it stopped because I mislooked that it just took the latest line. But either way, it just took here the last line. Either way, it can also take from the line number 1. But in our example, let's just stick to this output now quickly. Let's directly check the end result. So I go here to our Gmail inbox. I refresh my browser and I see here in the label invoices and receipts. This is where I put the configuration to. I see here the very simple email. This email is empty. It is to Sayaka Okada. This person does not exist. And you see there's an attachment to the email. Let me open the email attachment, and here you see the generated PDF invoice. It was generated within a few seconds. And you see that all the orange fields, they are now replaced by our example data. Similar like this, you can create your own invoices with this very simple workflow based on your real data, and there will be no mistakes anymore. There will be a flawless and very quick creation of the invoices, so that at the end you just need to click send in your email and your client will receive the invoice.
はい、ありがとうございます。すごいサプライズですね。その通り、ワンクリックで請求書まで作成できたということで、驚きのツールです。これで効率化を進めていただければと思います。ありがとうございます。我々こういうですね、自動化を進めて、効率化、業務の簡素化を進めていきたいと思っております。何か質問等あればコメントの方にいただければと思います。今日はどうもありがとうございました。
お願いします。Thank you.